Just a reminder, I'm going to be putting a link on every video Troy's in. There's a link to his page below in the description, just so you guys know. I haven't talked about that in a while. I'm going to put that in there. It's always been in there, but. So we're going to work on the street calf kick, I call this. Okay, everybody's kicking the calf. MMA has become very popular. I'm going to show you my method of doing it and one that I feel is more geared towards the street because we have shoes. Now look at our distance here. I'm attacking the calf, not letting my heels meet or touch, and I'm snapping that down to the calf with my shoe. So if Troy checks this, go ahead and check it. I'm not worried about the collision. I'm not aiming with my shin, I'm aiming with my shoe. So it's just not a big deal. If I actually go and you check it, no, I'm not worried about it at all. And it's so important for the distance. See this? We're here, just like this. This is the calf, okay? And it's very, very aggravating and it hurts a lot. So again, the technical aspect of this, southpaw stance or right hand, doesn't matter, I'm going to show from both. We're going heel to heel, and before my heels meet, I'm skipping, chambering, snapping back. And if you're going to be southpaw, I'm going to be right-handed. Same thing here. Okay, see? Sorry about that.
No, good.
Okay, in MMA, you see Alex Pereira use basically that knot on the end of his foot. Here we have shoes. Okay, other stance again. So here, feints, see? In and out. See? Look where I'm at for distance. So again, feints, jabs, we're in. I'm trying not to actually connect here because this really starts to chew up the calf fast. I'm just landing that continuously on the calf. And again, this is a very safe technique. I'm staying at a good distance.